Life changes fast, and so do the people who count on you.
Your 20s and 30s are about building a foundation. Even if you don't have kids yet, life insurance can help protect against debts and lock in lower premiums early.
As life moves forward, priorities shift. Raising kids, paying off a mortgage, and protecting family income become your biggest focus.
Heading toward retirement, now's the time to think about final expenses and leaving a legacy for loved ones.
Read our full guide for a deeper look at how life insurance needs evolve over time.
And when you're ready, Ashley Insurance Agency is here to help match your coverage to where you are in life and where you're headed next.
Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to learn more, check out our other videos right here, or click the link below to read the full blog post we mentioned today. And if you're ready to talk about protecting your family's future, you'll also find a link in the description to schedule a time to chat with us at Ashley Insurance Agency.